In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track task time in ClickUp. Time tracking can be a crucial aspect of project management, helping enhance productivity, keeping workloads balanced, and ensuring deadline commitments are met. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps to track time efficiently using ClickUp. Firstly, open ClickUp and head over to the list of tasks. This list gives an overview of all tasks, allowing you to see what needs attention and prioritize your schedule. It's your go-to dashboard for everything organized, so familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you're on the list page, locate and click on the specific task for which you want to track time. When you select a task, a detailed view opens up, displaying all task-related elements such as descriptions, attachments, and more. This task-specific page is where you'll manage and log various aspects of your work with ease. Next, direct your attention to the Track Time section within the task view. This is where all the magic of time tracking happens. In this section, you'll see a button labeled Start. Clicking this button begins the time tracking process. It's like having a stopwatch dedicated to your task, starting its countdown the moment you press it. This feature is invaluable for understanding exactly how much time you're dedicating to specific assignments and identifying potential areas where you can improve efficiency. Once you have started the task timer, you can leave it running as you work, permitting you to focus intensely on the task at hand without needing to remember starting and stopping timers manually. This creates an accurate record of your working time. Do keep in mind though, that remembering to start and stop the timer is crucial. Otherwise, you might end up with time logs that don't truly reflect the actual effort put into the task. For improved accuracy, consider setting reminders or alarms to check in on the timer status, especially when you're wrapping up or switching between tasks. Furthermore, if you happen to forget and let the timer run longer than intended, ClickUp also allows for adjustments so your logs accurately reflect reality. And just like that, you now know how to track task time using ClickUp. Tracking task time provides insights into your productivity patterns, helps in better resource allocation, and highlights how workloads can be balanced effectively across projects. It's a powerful feature that, when used effectively, can significantly boost both individual and team performance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to maximize your efficiency with ClickUp. Happy task managing!